Hey, I'm John from Turpin Landscape Design Build, and today we're going to talk about what needs to happen to open your pool. It's still a little chilly outside, but I know you guys are starting to think about opening your pool in the warmer weather, so we want to walk you through the steps in order to get that done. The first thing you want to do is locate your skimmer. Most of you by now know where the skimmer is because it's where you take the basket out to clean the leaves out and whatnot in the fall. In the bottom of your skimmer, there's going to be two holes. One of them is going to have a rubber plug in it that we installed during the winterization. That plug is going to come out of the first hole. All you do is spin the nut off to the left. Then you take that plug and you put it in the other hole, the opposite hole, and spin that nut to the right to tighten it up. What that's going to do is allow you to start filling the pool with water. After the skimmer is plugged, you're going to throw your hose in and start filling that pool up. It's going to be a couple inches low right now, so you're going to fill that up to about halfway up the skimmer is the level we're looking for. Once your pool is scheduled to be open, we are looking for the winter cover bag to be set outside. That should have the anchor tool, the strap pole in it. These are all tools that get put away in the bag after your cover is installed. We are going to need access to possibly the driveway depending on your property. We're going to need gates unlocked. That's a really important one. We may need electric, so we may need to be able to plug in, and sometimes your pool panel gets shut off from the inside. So we want to make sure utilities are on, and we want to make sure water is on in the house, so we have a faucet to use. We do want to make sure dog waste is cleaned up whenever possible. So the reason we want dog waste cleaned up is because the cover is going to be wet. When we pull it off, it does get wet, and we don't like to put it away soaking wet. We like to lay it out in a part of the yard, and we don't want to lay that out in any kind of animal waste. All right, so there's what we're looking for in order to get your pool open for you. We're looking forward to seeing you this spring. If you have any questions ahead of time, give us a call.